Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to try something new. I have some pastel paper in front of me. I think they call it pastel mat. I'm going to try and draw a water lily on the water, and I want to use um, soft pastels, pastel pencils, and color pencils. And I'm trying out a fixative spray as well. Um, but I start out with the soft pastel sticks to try and lay in where the water ripples are, and the background is just a blurry background, so that way the focus is on the water lily. I used mostly blues and yellows and oranges. I also used a little bit of purple and brown to deepen up some areas. I tried blending out with a blending stump. It did okay for blending. I also went and got a makeup sponge I try later on. Uh, Also did okay. Just trying to, soften all the lines in the background and stuff. Didn't want hard edges, but I had a lot of colors back there, just nothing in focus. I found this photo on Pixabay, I think is what it's called. Um, it's a site where you can find lots and lots of different royalty-free photographs that you can use. You can either just plop it on your web page if you have a web page, or me, I use it for inspiration for drawings and paintings and stuff. Here I am spraying the fixative spray, and then, well, you didn't see it. I fanned it for a second and then walked away and let it dry before I came in with my second layer of pastel. And here's when I'm using the makeup sponge to try to blend. And I went ahead and pulled out my pastel pencils to help give a little bit more detail into the water. I also added in the lighter spots with the pastel pencil, hoping that it wouldn't blend out as much as the soft pastels do. And sprayed some more fixative, and then tried to blot off with the paper towel because it was a little spotty. And then of course you have to let it dry between the layers, or you could probably mess up your pastel chalk because chalk and water don't get along very well. And here I pull out my Prismacolors and start coloring in the Waterlily. I use shades of pink, purple, and red. I think it's amazing how much difference it makes once you put the odorless mineral spirits on the color pencil. It like brings it to life. And the white Prismacolor pencil works so good. I decided to go in lightly with the Prismacolors on the background and stuff too to try to help make it more vivid, but I wanted to spray it first to make sure that the pastel was gonna stay. The spray does work quite well, but it doesn't completely glue the pastel down. So when you do go over it with color pencil, do it lightly so you don't pull up all the hard work you did with the pastel. I was testing to make sure that it was um, pretty much dry from the odorless mineral spirits before I sprayed fixative over top of the whole piece. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.